Today we're going to be taking a look at part number C56274. This is the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with your 4-pole flat trailer connector. The product's going to fit certain years and models of the Jeep Renegade. This is going to provide a 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer signal lights. It is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole adapters. Your adapters are sold separately. Here on the 4-way flat connector, we got plenty of wiring. It's all bundled up right now, but plenty of wiring to work with. And you're going to have a dust cap. That way you can cover up the connection points and keep them safe and secure when the plug's not being used. It's going to include a taillight converter. This is going to ensure that your vehicle's wiring matches that of your trailers. The power module is going to connect directly to the vehicle battery through the wiring to avoid overloading the vehicle's electrical system. Now this unit is going to be constructed using surface mount technology. It's going to offer consistent and reliable performance. What that does is it simply maximizes your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat. It's also going to ensure superior operation even in rough road conditions. Now a benefit of a system like this is that it's designed to connect quickly and easily. You don't have to worry about cutting or splicing any of your wires. All you have to do is locate the connection points in the rear cargo area. The included instructions are very detailed. They're going to walk you through the installation process step by step, and they're going to identify exactly where those connection points are for your application. But once you identify where those are, simply plug in your connectors. One side is going to go to the passenger side of the vehicle, other side is going to go to the driver's side. The plugs on the connectors are going to match up perfectly with the connection points on the vehicle, and they're going to snap lock together for a nice, tight, secure fit. So you plug those in, then you're going to need to make your ground connection. It's going to be your white wire with the ring terminal attached to it. You're going to ground that to a nice clean metal surface using the included self-tapping screw. And then you're going to mount your taillight converter to an out-of-the-way area using the provided double-sided adhesive tape. Now once you have all that done, you're going to need to run your hot lead to the vehicle battery. Hot lead is going to be the black wire coming out of the converter box. This is going to get connected to the bundle of black wire with one of the included butt connectors. On the other end of the black wire, you're going to attach another butt connector and then connect it to the fuse holder. On the other end of the fuse holder, you're going to take the ring terminal, crimp it on there, and then that ring terminal is going to get attached to the positive post on the vehicle battery. They do include a 10 amp fuse. It goes right inside the fuse holder there. Close the cap, secure everything in place. Now once you have everything connected and ran where it needs to be, you're going to secure any excess wires with the included zip ties, keeping them up and out of the way, out of harm's way. Just keep them safe from the elements and any other components. We just want to make sure we get those nice and tight against the frame of the vehicle. That way they don't slack or hang around any areas where they don't need to be. And then once your install is done, the 4-way connector is going to be stowed in an out-of-the-way location within the rear cargo area. Now when it comes to the maximum amperage for the stop and turn lights, we're looking at 3 amps per circuit. For the tail lights, we're looking at 6 amps per circuit. It's also recommended that you use a small amount of dielectric grease on all electrical connections. If you need to pick some of that up, you can get that here at etrailer.com. That's going to do it for today's review of part number C56274.